Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from NEET 2025. A microscope has an objective of focal length 2 cm, eyepiece of focal length 4 cm, and tube length of 40 cm. If the distance of distinct vision of eye is 25 cm, then magnification of the microscope is. So student, in this question, magnification M is asked. Objective focal length FO is given 2 cm. FE eyepiece length is given 4 cm focal length, and length of the tube is also given 40 cm, and distance vision is 25 cm. So formula of magnification, if these points are given, is L D over FO into FE. So L is 40, D is 25, and FO is 2 and FE is 4. So 4 times 40 and 2 5 is 10. So M equal to 5 into 25, that is 125. 125. Magnification is 125, which is found in option A. So option A is correct. Direct formula based question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.